First off, I would like to give a little knowledge on what genetic engineering an embryo is. First, the basic idea is to take out and or remove genes from the embryo and replace them with other genes. For example, if a child has cancer genes, doctors would be able to pull out that gene and replace them with a cancer-free gene. It also works with physical features as well. For example, you would be able to alter the eye color of your child. The idea of genetic engineering is direct transfer from DNA from one organism to another. Was first accomplished by Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen in 1973. These two very intelligent men allowed scientists to manipulate the genes added to the variety of different organisms and induced a range of different effects. Also in 1973, a man named Rudolf Junisch created the first genetically modified animal. Many other events occurred in 1973 that led to the more advanced technologies and labs we are doing now in the 21st century.
Okay.
I argue that yes, we should be able to genetically engineer an embryo. I believe genetically engineering an embryo is a magnificent idea. For example, let us say a future child has a heart disease gene. We would be able to save that life and many more that will soon take care of the older generations of humans. In this and many more situations, we would be able to prevent the loss of life. If you still have doubts, imagine if there was never a cure for HIV or cancer. Genetic advantage and benefit genetic engineering provides is not only to be able to advance in our engineering, would be our hopes to fight these diseases sooner rather than later. Another thinking, but creatively and groundbreaking time in history. Now that I've given you information about genetic engineering an embryo, you can make a choice whether or not you want to go along with this. Also, knowing that what can come up with the conclusion that we pull forward and make genetic engineering possible. Thank you.